To pay DoorDash with Cash App. Start by opening the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Once you have selected your desired food and added it to your cart, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will see various payment options. But since DoorDash does not directly accept Cash App as a payment method, you will need to use a workaround. One way to pay DoorDash with Cash App is by using the Cash App card. If you have a Cash App account, you can order a Cash App card, which is a physical debit card linked to your Cash App balance. To order a Cash App card, open the Cash App on your mobile device, navigate to the Cash Card tab, and follow the prompts to order a card. Once you receive your Cash App card, you can add it to the DoorDash app as a payment method. To add your Cash App card to DoorDash, go back to the DoorDash checkout page, select the credit or debit card option, and enter your Cash App card details. Make sure to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code correctly. Once you have added your Cash App card as a payment method, you can select it to pay for your DoorDash order. Another way to pay DoorDash with Cash App is by using the Cash App to fund a different payment method that is accepted by DoorDash, such as a credit or debit card. For example, you can use Cash App to send money to a linked bank account or debit card, and then use that account or card to pay for your DoorDash order. It is essential to note that while these workarounds allow you to pay DoorDash with Cash App, they may not always be convenient or straightforward. Additionally, be aware of any potential fees associated with using your Cash App card or transferring funds from Cash App to a linked account. By following these steps, you can successfully pay DoorDash with Cash App, even though it is not a direct payment option. Remember to always review your order and payment details carefully before completing a transaction, to ensure accuracy and avoid any potential issues.